Hello everyone. In today's class, let us study to prepare royalty payable account, short workings recoverable account and landlord's account. So, in this illustration, it has been given that on 1/1/2010, Gillette Limited issued a license to T&G Limited which provided for a royalty of rupees 10 per razor sold, subject to a minimum sum of rupees 75,000 per annum. On the same date, a sub-license was issued by T&G Limited to Trimmers Limited for a royalty of rupees 15 per razor manufactured, subject to a minimum sum of rupees 30,000 per annum. Both the license and sub-license provided that if the royalties in any year is less than the minimum rent, the short workings could be recouped out of excess in the 2 subsequent years. So you are given the following information. In the year 2010, sales by T&G Limited 4,520 razors, sales by Trimmers Limited 1,220 razors, stock held by Trimmers Limited 340 razors. In the year 2011, sales by T&G Limited 6,180 razors, sales by Trimmers Limited 2,790 razors, stock held by Trimmers Limited 60 razors. In the year 2012, sales by T&G Limited 5,675 razors, sales by Trimmers Limited 1,940 razors, stock held by Trimmers Limited 400 razors. Prepare necessary accounts in the books of T&G Limited. So, first of all, we have to prepare table showing royalty payment, agreement between Gillette Limited and T&G Limited, that is agreement between lessor and lessee. Here in the year 2010, sales by T&G Limited is 4,520 razors, sales by Trimmers Limited 1,220 razors. So, we have to take total razors total sales by T&G Limited and by Trimmers Limited. There is 4,520 plus 1,220, 5,740. Okay, next, in the year 2011, sales by T&G Limited 6,180 plus sales by Trimmers Limited 2,790, total 8,970. Okay, next, in the year 2012, sales by T&G Limited 5,675 plus sales by Trimmers Limited. So total sales 7,615. Okay, 5,675 plus 1,940, total 7,615. Royalty rupees 15 per razors, 10 per razor sold, provided for a royalty of rupees 10 per razor sold. So, royalty 5,740 into 10, 57,400. 8,970 into 10, 89,700. 7,615 into 10, 76,150. Minimum rent 75,000 per annum. So, minimum rent 75,000. Every year 75,000. Now, calculate the short working. So, minimum rent is 75,000 minus 57,400. Short working 17,600. Short working recoup nil. Return of nil. Cash paid to the lessor 75,000. Next, 2011. minimum rent 75,000, royalty 89,700. So royalty is more than minimum rent, so there is no short working. So excess amount available is 14,700. So short working can be recouped out of excess amount available. So 14,700 short working recouped. Short working return of nil. Cash paid to the lesser 75,000. That is 89,700 minus 14,700, 75,000 cash paid. Next, 2012, in the year 2012, royalty 76,150, minimum rent 75,000. So 1,150 excess ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So short working can be recouped. 1,150 can be recovered. So short working return of total ಎಷ್ಟು recoupment ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 17,600 short working ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು recovery ಆಗಿದೆ? 15,850. Okay, so 17,600 minus 15,850, 1,750 short working return off. So cash paid to the lesser 75,000. Next, now let us prepare royalty payable account. So ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ royalty due ಗೆ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to lessers account. So royalty payable account debtor to lesser, that is Gillette Limited, to Gillette Limited's account. Royalty in the year 2010 there is royalty of rupees 57,400. So 57,400. Okay. Next, for transfer of royalty to profit and loss account, entry profit and loss account debtor to royalty account or royalty payable account. So by profit and loss account 57,400, total 57,400. Next, 2011, again for royalty due, royalty payable account debtor to lessers account. So the entry is royalty payable account na debit side alli to Gillette Limited's account. 89,700 royalty during 2011. Okay, next, for transfer of royalty to profit and loss account by profit and loss account 89,700. Total 89,700. Next, 2012 to Gillette Limited's account 76,150 royalty during royalty payable during the year 2012, 76,150 by profit and loss account 76,150. Okay, 76,150 royalty. So total 76,150. Next, prepare short workings recoverable account. So for royalty due, in entries alli short royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessers account. So short workings recoverable account debtor to Gillette Limited's account 17,600 short working. 2010 alli short working 17,600. So total 17,600, balance 17,600. To balance brought down 17,600. Next, 2011 alli ನೋಡಿ short working recoupment ಇದೆ 14,700. So short working recoupment ಇದ್ದಾಗ entry lessors account debtor to short workings account. So on the credit side of short workings recoverable account by Gillette Limited's account, lesser Gillette Limited. So by Gillette Limited's account, short working recouped 14,700, total 17,600, balance 2,900. To balance brought down 2,900. Next 2012 ನೋಡಿ short working recoupment ಇದೆ, short working return off. So entries by Gillette Limited's account for short working recoupment 1,150. Next for short working return off entries profit and loss account debtor to short workings account. So on the credit side of short working recoverable account by profit and loss account amount 1,750, total 2,900. Okay, next Gillette Limited's account or lessor's account. So for royalty due, the entry should be passed is royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessor's account. So lessor's account credit side alli by royalty account by short workings account. So by royalty payable account by short workings recoverable account. So royalty 57,400, short workings 17,600. Next for royalty paid, lessor's account debtor to bank account. So Gillette Limited's account debtor to bank account 75,000 cash paid. So cash paid to the lessor 75,000 during 2010. Okay, next 2011 again for royalty due by royalty payable account 89,700 royalty. Okay, short workings ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ, short working recoupment ಇದೆ. So ಅಲ್ವಾ, so short working recoupment ಎಷ್ಟು 14,700. So for recoupment of short working lessor's account debtor to short workings account. So ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ಜಿಲೆಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ಸ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಟು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಕವರೇಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 14,700, ಟೋಟಲ್ 89,700. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೈ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, 76,150 ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ, cash paid to the lessor 75,000. Then 1,150 short working recouped. So the entry is to short working recoverable account. Short working recoupment again entry lessor's account debtor to short workings account. So short workings lessor's account na debit side alli to short workings recoverable account 1,150, total 76,150.